What's up, YouTube? I don't know if this footage will ever be released or posted into a video, but over the next couple months or weeks, I'm going to be turning my 1990 Nissan 240SX factory seafoam car, by the way, with a dual cam KA that I swapped into it. It's my fourth motor. This time I'm just going to document everything. I got this freshly built bottom end SR. Going to be sending this off to getting machined. New valve guides and seals are going to be going into this head, which I will eventually be mating to this SR. It's got ARP head studs. Got everything kind of sorted out right now, but I've already got the car in the air. I'll show you guys what my engine bay currently looks like. I've already had an SR in this car. It was also a brand new rebuilt motor, but sadly I threw a rod bearing on it and sold it. It's pretty much bone stock. I found a KA fan shroud too, so that's pretty much it. I should already have a buyer for the motor. These wheels will be going as well. Urus racing wheel. I don't know if y'all can see that. Some random branded bucket seat. No passenger seat at the moment. Shears tucked in shift knob without the sticker on top. Some of their cup holders. Some P2M floor mats. And then a dash cover as well, just to protect the dash. Rear seat delete in the back with a P2M rear floor mat. Interior should be staying relatively the same. Other than that, hope you guys enjoy this video of me putting together an SR, showing you guys that you can do it too, and you don't have to be a professional. Thanks for watching and enjoy. Alright, the intake's off, fan shroud's off, fan's off. Next, already drained out most of the coolant. Probably get messy anyways, so I'm gonna pull this off. I can start working on, I guess, pulling the harness out. Alright, radiator's out. Harness is off the engine bay. It's over there. Most of the coolant has been drained out, other than the stuff that's still inside the motor. Next is the fuel lines, which is just this one here and this return line. So this is the send line from the fuel pump, or fuel pump to the fuel filter into the fuel rail, and then this one is just the return. But that's pretty much it, other than the engine mounts and brackets for the transmission. I forgot to mention this, but don't forget to take off your throttle cable line and these two hoses that are in the back right here that go to the block. Alright, I got the hoses off back here, the heater hoses. The wiring harness is pretty much fully off. Now I'm taking off the power steering pump lines. Then after that, this clutch line and all these engine grounds will be next. Alright, everything's good to go. Everything's disconnected minus the engine mounts. Shifter is out, so you don't hit the firewall and the transmission tunnel. But let's get this started. Alright, we got it out. Came out pretty easy. Only took us about 6.5 minutes. New record, by the way. Made a bit of a mess, but that's to be expected because we didn't drain the fluid. But now we just gotta set this thing on the ground, take some photos so I can sell it, and then start working on this beautiful SR. Alright guys, the next day, got the car up in the air, motor's out, SR's over there. Now I'm going to be pretty much redoing this car completely. New suspension, getting rid of these old stance coilovers, ancient ones in the front, or in the rear, and then I got these eBay coils in the front, which they will be also leaving. I already sold my wheels to some guy last night, super cool guy. Got some piping, intercooler piping, clutch, flywheel, fan, intercooler on the front, some other small stuff. Oh, downpipe as well. And then pretty much just gonna start prepping the SR to bring it to a machine shop. And then also I got some Yashio factory goodies. Got some pulleys, and then also a strut tower damper. So this will all be super cool. Hopefully this build comes out and looks sweet. I forgot to mention, but while the head is going to be at the machine shop, I will be trying to restore all of these hoses, coolant lines, intake manifold, and then trying to find some more parts. I need an oil pan, a couple freeze plugs, a rear main seal. Hopefully try and fix these AC compressors as well, get one of those sold, and then we can start making some good progress on this car. But once again, thank you guys for watching this far into the video, and I'll see you guys on the next update.